Hopefully it's all about. So hello and welcome to another episode on actually the first episode on Unity Game Engine tutorial. So today I have a little project to show you guys that I'm currently working on, and we'll be making this as a series, and this is pretty simple. You just need to dodge this. Oh my god, okay. You need to dodge those things, and you have like a score counter there, as you can see. And we're gonna add a much of this. This is the stuff what we'll be building today. I mean, in the series, okay? I just messed up. That's Unity, and that's the Dark Tales. You can see this is but it's a personal edition. I just changed the theme. You can just search up YouTube. Completely off topic. Now over here, as you can see, we have this player, and we have the simple obstacle popping up, and we need some optimization stuff. We need to some the cool stuff. Where the heck is that? There you go. So that's my first introduction. In the next introduction, I'm gonna show you how you can download and install Unity, and then set everything up. So thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna see you in the next episode.